Hey, welcome back to the show, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be using the air fryer and we're going to be making some wings for that big game. So we're going to be making some honey sriracha and some garlic parmesan, right? So without further ado, let's go down to that workstation and focus on this recipe.
All right, so let's go ahead and get these wings prepared. So you want to make sure that you remove any excess moisture off these wings, and these wings are as dry as possible. So get your paper towel and remove all the excess moisture. Now we're going to go in with the all-purpose seasoning, the usual, and we're going to lightly season these wings. So again, you want flavor, but you don't want this flavor to be overpowering because we're going to sauce these wings later on in the process. Now, since we're using the air fryer, you want to make sure you go with the non-stick cooking spray and spray your grates so these chicken wings will not stick to your grates. And then make sure that your chicken wings are spread accordingly so they can, breathe in the air fryer. Now we're going to set the air fryer to 400 degrees and set it to the air fryer setting, and we're going to cook these wings for 60 minutes. So now with this air fryer model here, I'm gonna place this rack to the top so that these wings are next to that heating coil, and this is gonna provide these wings the extra crispiness that we want. Now halfway through the process, we want to take these wings out and just monitor and see how they're doing and progressing. And now we're gonna flip these wings. So we want to make sure that these wings are cooking evenly and then getting crisp, evenly also. Now we're gonna place these wings right back into the air fryer and let them go the rest of the way. So when they come out, you're gonna see them. They look nice and golden brown, just like they were in the deep fryer, but these are much healthier, nice and golden brown. Look at that. Now let's get into making these sauces. So you want to go in with some minced garlic, and then you're gonna hit it with a half stick of butter. So we're going and we're making this honey sriracha, sauce that we're gonna sauce these wings. So when you get that butter melted, you want to make sure that you cook this garlic until it becomes fragrant. So you don't want to overcook the garlic and then it becomes bitter on you. Now we're going to come in and we're going to place a half a cup of sriracha sauce into that butter and that garlic mixture. Now we're going to give this thing a little mix, make sure that those ingredients are mixed in, and then we're going to add that honey. So that honey is going to give it a little bit of sweet flavor, and then it's going to knock out some of that kick. But if you're lightweight, you can go with hot sauce and then make some, some less hot wings than what we're making today. But this is going to be a fantastic sauce, man. If you like something hot, you like a kick, the sriracha sauce is going to have you definitely in the game. So once it comes to a simmer, you're going to remove it from the heat, and then you're going to place them on the wings while it's good and hot. Now you already know we got to toss these wings in that sauce because you that boss. And then look at those wings right there, man. They are looking absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna plate these bad boys up, and now we're gonna get to those garlic parmesan wings. Now again, we're gonna go with the same steps. We're gonna add a half a stick of butter, and then we're going into some minced garlic. So just like before, you wanna make sure that this garlic mixture is cooked until it's fragrant. Now once it's fragrant, you're gonna remove it, and then you're gonna place them on top of the wings. Now you're gonna give those wings a little toss in that buttery sauce because you're that boss. Now we going with that authentic, Parmesan cheese. It gotta have that stamp on it. And then we're gonna coat these wings and give it another toss, and then we're gonna plate these bad boys. Now we're not done because, like I said, we're gonna be making some garlic parmesan wings, right? So we got to hit it with a little bit more of that Parmesan. So once I get this thing all plated up and make it look pretty, we're going to come right back around with that authentic Parmesan cheese, and we're going to top it off with some absolutely delicious Parmesan cheese. And there you have it right there, man. You got some nice 2 times certified bussin' wings.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Check these out. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. So you already know what we got to do. We got to get that taste test. So we're going to go in, with that garlic parmesan, right, wing. So we're going to get that taste test first. Now that's absolutely fantastic. That's absolutely delicious. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish this bad boy off. Now that's absolutely busting. And now we got the honey sriracha. There you go. Let's get that thing a taste test. Now that's absolutely delicious right there. And you already know I gotta finish this thing off. Whew, that sriracha has some kick to it. If you like this video, smash that like button. And if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. Now, if you've been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into these wings, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.